What's up, Velcro family? I'm Kevin. This is Kelly, and we are back with another video. And today we are giving y'all a cooking video. It's gonna be a simple and easy meal. We're gonna make turkey burgers and fries.
Homemade.
Right, homemade turkey burgers and fries. So stick with us and watch how we do it.
So first we're gonna start off with peeling these potatoes. So we're gonna do about 4.
Okay, first we're gonna rinse these potatoes and we'll get back to y'all in a second.
So now we about to get some vegetable oil and prep for so we can fry these fries.
That should be cool.
Then we're gonna put this on the
Put it on
back.
the back out.
We're not gonna have the heat too high.
Move those plates back.
That's good. Move the plates off. So now that we have the grease
Go down
going.
some more.
Now that we have the grease going, we're going to start on the fun part and get our hands dirty. So brown cayenne pepper, black pepper because we like it spicy, seasoned salt, onion powder, accent, because we don't have accent, so we add it to our food. Garlic powder, because we don't want garlic. Yeah, keep the vampires away. Adobo seasoning with pepper. My nephew's birthday. We are using ground turkey. Are we gonna use an egg?
Yeah, one.
Let's move the bowl up a little bit more. Like that. Uno egg. We're gonna throw in a little bit of all our seasonings. And I use a lot of paper towels because I don't like my hands being dirty at all. So I wash my hands a lot. So we're just gonna get it cracking. No pun intended. We already cracked the egg.
You gotta put your seasoning in. Like, a lot of people like to put their seasoning on their burger, like after they already made their patty.
But we not, no.
We're a little more cultured than that. You gotta.
Say it again, fiance.
We're a little more cultured than that. You gotta put it in there so it can get all through that mug. You dig?
You put the seasoned salt and cayenne pepper?
Yes.
Told y'all we like it spicy.
Push me as some crushed red. Okay, babe.
This heat
Go
smells
ahead.
high.
Turn it down a little bit more. I just washed my hands again, and I'm getting this ready for
Here, look.
the fries. Those are just about done.
These patties are not going to get dark because they are not beef. They are turkey. Turkey, not beef. Back to cooking these burgers like we work at McDonald's. We'll be back when the food is done.
Thinking about you, bro.
So it's really a science to how the way you put cheese on small patties. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. You fold each corner in, you know, like that.
And then I'm gonna show them my way.
And then look, you want the cheese to melt quick because the burger's already done. So you flip it over and put it on the hot side.
Turn that all the way down. Let me show them my way.
Okay, Beyonce's gonna show y'all his way.
She into all that fancy shit. I ain't really that fancy like her. So what you want to do is take that out the plastic just like that. And you know what I'm saying? I wasn't that fortunate, you know what I'm saying, when I was growing up to have a whole slice of cheese. I'm just throw that out there. Me and my brother had to share a slice of cheese. My mama ain't play like that. So let me show you. They can see me?
Mm-hmm.
You boom, break that joint right in half. Perfect. Smack that up like that and there you go. That's my way. I don't know if y'all was fortunate enough to have a whole slice of
Now
cheese.
maybe I did that too quick, so I'm gonna show y'all again how I do mine.
My mama coming in,
Like
in
that?
the kitchen and bust me upside my head if I was using a whole slice of cheese.
Okay, and then you flip it over.
That one already, I flipped over.
You did?
Yeah.
But I need it hot.
Okay.
Boom. The burger look big, so I'm gonna just tear the crust off, eat the crust, and then eat the burger. So voila. You know, we not into, you know, washing dishes, so we use the paper plates, okay? But other than that, this is gourmet.
Exactly.
You want to hit a fries crunch?
Back up some.
Mmm.
Some more. Yeah, that should be good.
Okay. So like I said, we're gonna peel this back. Look at me, the thumbnail.
Come on.
Spicy.
Alright y'all, that's it for this video. If y'all like that, give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and share this video with everybody that you know.
Peace. Y'all want more cooking videos from
Velcro family?
their Velcro family? We're Velcro show.
If y'all want some more
If
cooking,
you want cooking with Kev and cooking with Kels, just let us know down in the comments. Or just like this video. As many people to like this video. And comment,
what y'all want us to cook.
right.
We use chicken and turkey alternatives, but we'll get into that in another video. But just let us know what y'all want us to cook, and we'll make your wish come true.
We'll do our best.
Irritating.
My life is good.